Try to explain the basic kasha and tosfot in bava metzia 112 amid beit katzitz at the bottom. I might have an answer, kind of an answer for this, but I want to at least explain the question as clearly as I can. We're talking about a case of katzitza, which is like a balabayit gives to an artisan an object to be mitaken, and then there's a question about the amount that was decided. You know, this here says he's owed $20, and the balabayit says he's only owed $10. So now there's a lot of ways of dealing with that particular braita over there in bava metzia. Different ways have occurred to me, but we have to look at things in the worldview of Tosfot. In the worldview of Tosfot, that braita, the one specifically that comes up in bava metzia, where you're believing the balabayit about the $10 and not the $20, Tosfot says there that has to be a case where there are Adam, and that's why the Gemara comes on to Miduchar Dechiri Inshi, that people remember about a case of Ketzitza. It's different than Schirut. So it's a case where there are Adam, and you're believing the Balabayit over there. Tosfos says that because if it would be a case of no Adam, then you would simply believe the Balabayit because there's no Adam, and he could just say Lo Hayu Devarim Olam. Okay, so if that's the case, then the Braita in Bava Batra, where you have the same Braita is coming up, and over there you would have the Tanna Kama is in fact believing the Balabayit, and the Rabbi Yehuda is believing the Uman. Well, over there, that would be a case then where there are Adam. That's why there would be a machlokas, right? Because we're saying like everybody would say when there's no Adam you believe the balabayit. So when there are Adam, then you have this machlokas, and then that wouldn't work with the Gemara in Bava Batra, because Rava is saying over there that because of lack of Adam you would believe the Uman. So that doesn't work very well with Tosfos. So it has to be that in both cases, whether the whole case of this brisa of the machlokas between Rabbi Yehuda and the Tanna Kama is whether there's Adam or not. Tanna Kama is saying that you believe the Balabayit, and Rabbi Yehuda believes otherwise there's nothing left for the Gemara in Bava Batra. There's nowhere Rabbah can go. He's stuck. So that means that there's no. So now we have the machlokas Rabbi Yehuda and the Tanna Kama about when there's no Adam, and we're saying that. And the Tosfos is going that in such a case that the Uman has the Balabayit has this migos, we're believing him. Rabbi Yehuda doesn't go with that migo. He's more saying that there's a migo and they believe the Uman because of this migo, and also the Balabayit is modim niknikitzat, right? So that's the basic problem there is that you're using the migo in two different directions. It seems. Sort of makes that confusing, and plus there's another problem. That seems to be at least the basic ambiguity in this Tosfos. Okay, thank you.